On behalf of the entire Padma Shri Dr. Diva Patil fraternity, I would like to thank Mr. Soumendra Nanda, the editor-in-chief of brand, Monica Ganguly, the graphics designer. Also, Ankit Singh, Akash Rai, Nilima and Shafa, the student interns for RAM this year. Also, Pinak and Praveen Mishra, and the entire RAE team who have been having a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of fights with the printer for getting it delivered on time. I request the entire dignitaries on stage and also Pratya ma'am to please join and inaugurate the 4th edition of RAM. With a round of applause. I request Pratya ma'am to please come and speak a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. Unfortunately, they always give me the difficult time of speaking just before lunch. I know everyone is very hungry and so am I. But I'm going to take this just 2 minutes of your time, so bear with me. First of all, a huge congratulations to Shafa and her team. They have really pulled this one out. I should say I had my doubts, but congratulations to Shafa, Pinak and the whole team. So let's give them a big applause. Today we are in 2013 and we are actually entering into the 4th decade of, we are completing 30 years of RAIT's existence. So this is, in a way, we are at a threshold, and it brings me back to 1983. Though I have not joined in 83 and not joined in 89, I have the dubious distinction of being there for the first day of college. I accompanied my father, Advocate Mahabaleshwar Morje, to the campus. It was a bumpy ride on the Sion-Trombay highway, going to the CBD college. And he was very excited because the college was called after his mentor. And that was the only reason. I was in standard 5th or 6th and I went with my dad. I lost him last year, so this really brings a lot of goosebumps. I joined in 89, and unlike most of you here probably who finished after 4 years, I did not. I'm one of those who stayed in here, and I owe it not only to the teaching, but mainly to the non-teaching staff. You know, we have Gaikwad sir here, we have GP Patil, we have Kumbhar sir. These people never had any distinction between, people who were passing out and people like us who came to fill their forms every time. They were very encouraging. In no class were we discriminated against that these people are still left behind. And this is what only RAIT can do. So hats off. So yes, I did complete. I went on to do my MBA, and there are 3 people responsible for it. One of them is sitting right here. Pankaj, my friend, my classmate, who's always been there for me. My other friend who's not here today, Vardhana Sapre, and my mother. These 3 told me, finish your B, go on to do your MBA. I did, and I'll reach somewhere in life. And I'm not saying that I'm an MD or something, but yes, I can fend for myself. And today, whether I like it or not, I'm with Ra. I got dragged into it again because of Pankaj. He brought us back to college one day about 7 years back. We see this, as right from probably 91 to today. But RAIT has gone up and down, and we've been here. We've supported it through We've seen a dilapidated college, no painting. I should really hats off to the faculty. I mean, Sharmila ma'am is here. I know Shete sir, Nete sir, Barve sir. They have stood it all. They have stood with this institution and they are the real walls of this institution. So we really need to give a big applause to them. Coming to Ra, I would say that it's been here 5 years. As you know, the website, Somendra Nanda is, I should say, committed to it. He's crazy about it. He only breathes Ra. I feel sometimes, this RAM is a one-man initiative. He pushes the students every year. He's far off there in the US. He never sees any of these occasions, but he is the pushing force. He will send email reminders every 15 days. He finds out who the new committee is. And then he persuades me, Pratnya, go and see what's happening. Sometimes, even being in Bombay, we are not able to do it. But he is sitting out there in the US, is actually churning out this magazine only because of his pure passion. So I really thank him for all this, and it is his initiative that has seen us, going through it. So it reminds me of my KT days, where I stood there and allowed it to kind of evolve. And it really gives me a lot of pleasure that so many people are out here. I should say that here again, Mohsin Digantar was one of the guys who really brought Ra to a big platform. We did it in the sports ground, followed by which the one which was really very successful and really did a great job was Sabah Khan, and it was very well rehearsed. We had a dress rehearsal 2 days earlier, and it was an impressive turnout. A lot of effort went into it. I should say that Vijay Sharma and Israel also did a good job, but they kept it going. And this year, in fact, from Shafa, we have very, very high expectations. We have seen, because as she herself admitted, she's been here 4 years. So she's kind of a veteran of Ra. We are halfway through. Looks like it's going to be rolling. But let's hope that there are many more exciting moments for all of us to remember. I should also thank Gaikwad sir because of the Saraswati Vandana. Really, you really struck the chord. It reminded me of my primary school because then I moved on to a convent. Really thanks to you. You really kept the flow going. Among teachers, I would say that, someone mentioned 3 idiots. And I remember Sai sir. I remember going to him for, the letter we take to go for a project, during a BE project. And all the boys in my class were kind of scared. In fact, I had a dubious distinction of being the only girl in my batch. There were 19 boys and I was wrongly administered, as a boy, so I was in that batch. But I continued. So most of my classmates don't consider me a girl. So anyways, he told us, you BE students jump out of the window. And believe me, had we done that, we would have not been here. It was on the 4th floor. So when I saw Viru Sahasrabuddhe, I did remember Sai sir, but it was because of him. And the likes of Thomas sir, and we had a professor called Digambar Nagarkar who was there for us just for 6 months in our first semester, and since we were B division, we didn't have any professors. The good part is we are still in touch with him. He's in Australia, and he really remembers us very fondly because it was just 6 months of his teaching career, and for him we are the only students he had in his life. So let me not hold you very long. Thank you a lot to all the students, the alumni who have completed 25 years. Hopefully till we complete, somebody will be there to give us a trophy. But I'll keep my hopes high, and do support us in Ra, the guest lectures. Principal sir, Ramesh sir, a special request to you. please invite us, the alumni, as your guest lecturers. We have been trying to, kick this off for the last 3-4 years. As you see, we are a bouquet. Okay, you have to choose which flower you want. We have people from electronics, computers, mass media. We have, Shankar Mahadevan, the big names. We have a banker like Pankaj. We have a social activist like Bhushan. We have diversified into different fields. I don't think we should restrict ourselves to the streams that are within college, but in terms of diversification, moving on, if you require us to come, we are always ready. We have financial planners, we have it all. You just need to call us, just put it up there on the site or anywhere, and I'm sure that at least hundreds of us will come. So thanks a lot for calling us, thanks a lot for bearing with me, and I hope we have a scrumptious meal waiting for us.